Hi guys, this is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And in this video I will paint tattoo design on the hoodie. I often compare tattoo art and clothing art. These kind of arts are very similar, but I think that the clothing art is more difficult. So I looked at the most popular tattoo designs and I decided to paint the Chinese dragon on the hoodie. And this is the first time I will paint a dragon in my life. Tattoo artists first transfer image to the skin, but I will change myself and I will paint a freehand on the hoodie. So I'm a bit excited, but let's begin! Thanks for watching, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. For more unique hand painting clothing, check out my Etsy shop, I put the link down below. And if you have any thoughts about which tattoo design I can paint on the clothing, write to me in the comments below. See you, bye bye!